Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss the difference between narrow AI and general AI. That is very important topic. I will share with you 10 key differences between these two that will definitely help you boost your knowledge and get good marks in your examination. So now let's just start the discussion. The first aspect is scope of functionality, or we can say it as scope of tasks. If we talk about narrow AI, that is also called weak AI, it is basically designed for a specific task or limited to one domain only. What does it mean? Let's take an example first. We all are using image recognition tool these days that is totally based on artificial intelligence, right? सो इमेज रिकॉग्निशन बेस्ड टूल जो है वो सिर्फ एक ही टास्क के लिए बनाया गया है, इसके अलावा ये कोई दूसरा टास्क नहीं करता. इसी से हमें पता चलता है कि इट इज डिजाइंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नैरो एआई. अनदर एग्जांपल कैन बी योर लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेशन. Language translation, we all uses language translation online tools these days on a regular basis. So language translation में हम एक लैंग्वेज से दूसरे लैंग्वेज में हमारे टेक्स्ट को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. अदर देन दिस ये पर्टिकुलर एआई टूल कुछ भी यूज नहीं करता. सो दिस इज टेकन अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ नैरो एआई. Now if we talk about general AI, that is also called a strong AI or AGI, it can perform any task a human can do across multiple domains. That is, general AI is capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can do across various domains. Alright, next key point we have is learning and adaptation. It learns from predefined data to solve a particular task. दैट मीन्स एआई, नैरो एआई में जो भी प्री डिफाइंड सेट ऑफ रूल्स डिसाइडेड हैं, ये सिर्फ उसी के बेसिस पे काम करेगा. इट डज नॉट लर्न एनीथिंग फ्रॉम इट्स पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस और हिस्ट्री. ऑलराइट, इट लर्न्स and improves within its pre-described domain only, and it cannot apply knowledge to other unrelated areas. Now if we talk about general or strong AI, it can learn and adapts independently across various tasks and domains. Alright, so learning and adaptation in general AI is a very strong. जनरल एआई जैसे हम ह्यूमंस हैं, मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि जनरल एआई ह्यूमंस की तरह सोच सकता है, उनकी तरह काम कर सकता है. तो हमारे में क्या होता है, अपने एक्सपीरियंस से हम सीखते हैं. पास्ट में किसी का बिहेवियर मेरे साथ कैसा था, उन चीजों को हम ध्यान में रखते हैं. सो लर्निंग एंड अडेप्टेशन में जनरल एआई भी कुछ इसी तरीके से काम करता है कि इट कैन लर्न and adapt knowledge across different tasks and domains similar to human learning. I hope everything is clear till this point. Now let's just talk about next point, that is the flexibility. So narrow AI is inflexible. In another term, we can say it is a rigid system. Narrow AI is rigid and cannot handle tasks outside its designed purpose. And it cannot generalize to task beyond its training. जितनी ट्रेनिंग इस AI सिस्टम को दी है, जितने प्रोटोकॉल्स, जितने रूल्स इसमें हमने यूज किए हैं, ये सिर्फ उसी डोमेन पे काम करेगा. एक्सटर्नल ये कुछ भी AI डिवाइसेस नहीं करती हैं. That is called flexibility. It cannot handle tasks outside its designed purpose. And if we talk about general AI, it is highly flexible and can apply knowledge to new unfamiliar problems. We can say it is flexible and it can handle a wide range of tasks, including tasks it has never been explicitly programmed for. किसी टास्क के लिए अगर इसको प्रोग्राम नहीं किया गया है और पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस, पास्ट में उसी से रिलेटेड कुछ छोटा सा टास्क अगर जनरल एआई ने किया है, तो डेफिनेटली वो नया टास्क भी कर लेगा. जैसे हम लोग करते हैं, अगर किसी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन मेरे पास, किसी चीज के बारे में मुझे थोड़ा सा नॉलेज है, उसी से रिलेटेड मुझे अगर कुछ और पूछा जाए, तो डेफिनेटली मैं उसको सॉल्व कर सकती हूँ, उस पर काम कर सकती हूँ, अपने एक्सपीरियंस को लेकर, अपने नॉलेज को लेकर के. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट की डिफरेंस इज ह्यूमन लाइक इंटेलिजेंस. Human-like intelligence system is also called human-like cognition. Here, in case of narrow AI, it lacks understanding or consciousness, operates based on some rules. And if we talk about general AI, it mimics human intelligence, reasoning, and problem solving abilities. In simple terms, we can also say that in case of narrow AI, it mimics specific aspects of human intelligence but lacks true understanding or consciousness. And if we talk about general AI, it hypothetically it hypothetically would possess human-like cognition, reasoning, and the ability to understand and process abstract concepts. Next point we have is real-world examples. Commonly used today these days, like Siri, Alexa, Google search, Google translator, we all are using, Google image recognition, we all are using. And if we talk about general AI, there is no real world example yet, still in a theoretical concept. So general AI के बेस पर फिलहाल के लिए कोई भी रियल लाइफ सिनेरियो रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल नहीं है, कोई भी टूल वी आर नॉट यूजिंग दीज डेज रिलेटेड टू जनरल एआई. ये अभी हाइपोथेटिकल सिस्टम ही चल रहा है, इमेजिनेशन ही है कि आने वाले समय में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस डेफिनेटली इस तरीके से काम करेगा. नेक्स्ट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, comparatively simpler, focuses on a single task or domain. And if we talk about general AI, it is extremely complex. This is your general AI, this is your narrow AI. If we talk about general AI, it is extremely complex, requires learning and reasoning across all the domains. In other terms, we can say that narrow AI cannot generalize knowledge across different domains. It can only use the data and patterns within its specific scope. And in case of general AI, it can generalize knowledge from one domain to another, allowing it to solve problems in new and unrelated areas. Next we have is dependency. So if we talk about dependency of narrow AI, it is highly dependent on human input and programming. Okay, it is highly dependent on human input and प्रोग्रामिंग, कि किस तरीके से एक सिस्टम को प्रोग्राम किया गया है, किस तरीके से एक सिस्टम में कोड किया गया है, उसी पे ये डिपेंड करता है. एंड जनरल एआई ऑपरेट्स ऑटोनॉमसली, can make decisions and learn without external inputs. All right, next we have another point, that is development status, or we can say development stage. Okay, in narrow AI, it is fully developed and widely implemented in various industries. It is fully developed and widely used in various industries, right? And if we talk about narrow AI, it is still a theoretical concept. No working system exists and development is in early stages with significant challenges ahead. Next is problem solving abilities. Its problem solving abilities. It can solve problems within its programmed domain only, and it is capable of solving problems beyond predefined parameters like humans. Another example can be your ethical concern. So in case of narrow AI, ethical issues are domain specific. These issues are domain specific, or we can say task specific, such as biasness in facial recognition or data privacy, recommendation systems, etc. And if we talk about general AI, it raises significant ethical issues such as control, safety, and existential risks. All right, so these are the 10 key differences related to your difference between narrow and general AI. Another example can be related to their task performance. Can be related to their task performance. In case of narrow AI, it excels at performing tasks within its specific domain. For example, chess engines. In case of chess engines, in case of medical diagnostics, ठीक है. And if we talk about general AI, it aims to perform tasks with the same versatility as a human, including reasoning, learning, and decision making across the domains. So these are the between 11 key differences between narrow AI and general AI. That is very important for all. I hope students everything is clear till now. In the previous session, we have discussed 10 to 12 types of AI. अगर वो वीडियो आपने अभी तक नहीं देखी है, the link is added in the description box. You can definitely check. So thank you so much everyone and all the very best.